we got another bonus here, and we're betting $2 a spin. Let's see what we can get. We need that big chip in there. Chip, baby. That ain't gonna do nothing for us. Come on, give us a chip. Chip, chip, chip. That's a wow. Give us a car. No, cards will work though. Give us a little bit of money. Come on, we want that chip. Chip. No. Chipper case. Chip, chip, chip. No. Oh wow, come on, lady luck. Nope. Alright, our last spin. What can we do? Chip, maybe? No. A couple of spins afterwards. Can we get anything? Come on. Oh, we missed it by one. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Our third spin afterwards. That'll work. Alright, let's see what we can do with this. Come on. Pop it in. Anything. Come on. Give us that pretty green one. That pretty green one would be amazing. The blue one would be nice too, but that pretty green one would be amazing. Pop it in, baby. Pop it in. Anything. Oh, it's our last spin. Come on. Anything. Pop it in. Come on. Oh, nothing. Oh well. $28. Not very good. Now let's see if we can do anything with any backup spins on this one. Hey, it's a win.